Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.